Hi to everyone here. Hi, Shivani. Hi, Raswas. I should probably first ఒక disclaimer ఇవ్వాలి. I'm here only as Suhas's friend today. నాకు సినిమాకి సంబంధం లేదు. But I'm so glad that I'm here. నేను ఇన్వైట్ చేసినప్పుడు కూడా I was like, అంటే లైక్ what will I exactly say అనేది కొంచెం I was hesitant. But then I come here and it's all people that I know. It's all people that I've worked with. And it's all people that I love and adore. So really, really, really happy to be here. I hope the film does well. And yeah, Ante, it's just good, just all good wishes to Gopi, to Shivani, as you all know, as Katyayani. And I think Suhas gurinchi, ante maavadi gurinchi మేము పొగిడితే బాగోదేమో అంత. But as you all know, always good wishes for him. And I wish the entire team all the best. I am also waiting to watch the film in theaters. Thank you.
సూపర్ దివ్య, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. విద్యా గారు కూడా మాట్లాడతారు ఇప్పుడు. ఎస్,
నమస్కారం.